Okay, to get started, I just added a video clip to my timeline that I'd like to fade out. To do this, let's go to the Effects panel and type Cross Dissolve into the search box. Then drag that effect onto the very end of your clip. Now when I play this back, I have a fade out. To change the duration of the fade, just drag the effect's end. Similarly, if you want to fade in your clip, you can drag the effect onto the very start of your clip. And there's our fade in. Finally, if you want an even faster way to fade in and out your videos, you can just select your clip and use the Ctrl-D keyboard shortcut. Alright, but that's all for me, so as always, thanks for watching and see you next time.